Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install JFrog Artifactory on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. First, update your system. Artifactory requires Java to run. In this guide, we will install OpenJDK 8. Next, validate the version of Java installed. Now, download the JFrog Artifactory OSS version 6.9.6 from the official JFrog Bintray repository using the following command. If you don't have unzip installed on your system, you can install it with the following command. Once the download is complete, unzip the Artifactory package into the OPT directory. Next, navigate to the extracted Artifactory directory. To start JFrog Artifactory, run the following script. Once the script runs successfully, JFrog Artifactory should be up and running on your server. You can access the Artifactory UI by opening a browser and navigating to the following URL. Then, set a new password, enter the following values, and select the package types you want to create. After that, click on the Finish button. You will see the JFrog dashboard.